Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion for students. And the reason why I'm saying this for students because the power and the capabilities within Notion, you can use this as a student to get a lot done and to boost your productivity and let's say to improve the way you work, right? So what I want to recommend to do is create a Notion account. And once you're in, guys, you can simply go ahead and create a new workspace and you can click, for example, create a new page, right? And I want to start by recommending to you as a student to explore the templates because this is going to make it super easy for you to know what is already there that you can start to use, that you can plug and play and to use. So once you create a new page, you don't even have to give the page a name. Just simply click on templates at the bottom here. And in this section, you have, for example, student dashboards, right? And you also have personal productivity. And of course, you have study planners. That's for student as well. Student life, student planner. You have a ton of different options that you can work with. So there's a lot, right? And I'm going to walk you through some of the things that are there and just basically give you an example how you can plug and play, whatever, right? So you really wanted to like create something, for example student like a new workspace or a new page, you can easily go ahead and do that, right? It is super easy to do. So you would click on the upper left hand side, for example, and click, for example, new workspace and create that so that you can start nice and clean and you can say, for example, for school, and you can just say on my own or for others, whatever, right? You can just give it whatever. You can say, for example, planner or lesson planner or whatever it might be. You can just add a few of these in and it's going to actually create some of those templates for you. So you can say classroom, you don't want classroom management, you can just say notes, and clubs and organization, you can say you want that as well. Group project, you can say you want that as well, and probably sites and blog, you can do that. Let's say you want these, click on, for example, continue, and you can install it on your desktop if you want to as well, but for now you can skip that. Now what this is going to do for you is going to quickly create some pre-built, let's say, pages that you can use right away in Notion. So it basically kind of give you some options there. If you choose that you're a student, it's going to recommend some stuff to you. And as you can see, for example, on the left hand side, I have a bunch of different stuff there that I can actually use, right? So here you can see the club homepage here, you have some info here, you have lesson planner here, as I mentioned. So as a student, you can use that and you can edit. Everything is fully customizable that you can use and modify and change. You have your class notes section thing that you can actually use, you can change it up as well and so forth. You also have the lesson planner, you have all of those good stuff, right? Online resume, every single thing you need to use as a student, you can basically do it. Now let's get back to where I showed you the template. So from here, guys, you want to go ahead and click the new page, for example. You can go to the templates as I showed you before, and you have a ton of different things. So if you want to look for something specific, you can go ahead and you can search for it. If you want, for example, whatever, you can just even type the word students or just simply go to student dashboard and click on that, and you will find a lot more things that are available. So you can find, you can just explore around and see what is there, and you'll find a lot of different free dashboards that you can actually use. So whatever it is that you might want to use, right? You can actually go ahead and you can just simply go ahead and find it in. Right, so let's say I want something, for example, let's go back here and type, for example, study and hit enter. You'll see some of the things that pops up for study, and you can find, study planners. If you want study planners, you can actually get that as well. This is a student planner, but let's say you want something for study, you can actually go back and you can say study planner, for example, or exam planner, something like that. Study planner, let's choose, for example, study planner, and let's find, you'll find options here that you can actually use that is actually free to use. You'll see that they're free and you can actually choose. So let's try, for example, this one here. It's free. You can click on that, you can see what it looks like, and if you want to add it, you can click on add. It's going to quickly add it for you. Once it is done, you will see that it's ready, and you can click, simply click on see template, and here you'll have it, and it's fully customizable. So this would be like your study planner. You can add tasks and all those good stuff. And guys, in a nutshell, I just want to say that's it. You can go ahead and you can play around. So if you want to use Notion for students, it's a great tool to actually use. The possibilities are endless. And I want to mention something to you. If you want to create, for example, a specific template that you don't know how to create and it's not in Notion, use ChatGPT. Especially if you have the pro version ChatGPT, you can simply ask ChatGPT to create exactly what you want. And you don't need no fancy, you don't need no special keyword that you need to ask ChatGPT. Just simple open your ChatGPT and say, create me whatever templates that you want and say, build it, create a fully built template about this. And you can say, after creating it, let me know and also provide me step by step how to use it in Notion. And it's going to create it for you. It might take 30 minutes, a couple hours, maybe an hour or two to create it for you. But once that is done, you get instruction how to use it within Notion. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. So you can use some of the templates or you can fully customize something that you want by just simply write it what you want in ChatGPT and it can easily create it for you. But that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.